Sunnahs of fasting. Fasting is one of the greatest acts of worship, and its reward is only known to Allah. Some of the sunnahs of fasting are: having the suhoor meal is a sunnah, and delaying it is another sunnah. The best suhoor is dates. Remember, the suhoor is a blessing. Breaking the fast with dates is a sunnah, and hastening to break the fast is another sunnah. If insulted while fasting, it's a sunnah to respond in a better manner and say, "I am fasting." It's a sunnah to make this dua when breaking the fast. ذهب الظمأ وابتلت العروق وثبت الأجر إن شاء الله, which means the thirst is gone, the veins have been quenched, and the reward is assured if Allah wills. Remember to make a lot of dua while fasting. The dua of the fasting person is answered. Please share to spread the khair.